circuit has a blast in alarms like this way. So we will have a new tutorial like this, the tutorial 2, introduction to Arduino. For introduction to Arduino, we will have a simple project like security alarm. Component required for security alarms are this 2 resistors and the 2 LEDs, green and red, few jumper wires, Arduino board, breadboard, and buzzer. Like this way, we will complete our task using the connection. Let's start with it. Comes forward, this red element like this. And guys, don't forget to use the LED because don't forget to save your LED from burning and your money as well. It's the security alarm with the noise and light like this way. There is nothing in front of the sensor, so the LED is showing green light, means it is okay. And when we comes our hand in front of sensor or any foreign body is detected in front of sensor, the red light blinks. Okay, today that's all over for our tutorial 2, introduction to Arduino Uno. For latest video, please subscribe our channel for new updates, and for this video we have to aim more views in this video to 500k. Wall facing like this way, wall facing like this way. Secret alarm. Okay. Goodbye for today of tutorial 2. Bye bye.